welcome back to another video. Today we're fishing Witches Point down Severn Down after a small eye. We're on the ledges around from the point. There's a few lads on the point, so who's going to go on the point? We've got down the bottom and obviously on as we come to the ledges, a bit blowy, but we tuck down behind the rocks, so hopefully we see a few fish now as the tide's flooding. Only fishing up to high water. See if we get a few fish out, like a big small eyed or a nice spotty, maybe a big thornback. Got one rod out there now. My dad's got two. He's with my dad. The rigs today we're using are up and overs with 6.0s and 4.0 chinook and a 7/8 lead. So pulleys about pulley and up and overs. They were about 6 foot altogether, 6 foot, and then 12 foot all in length. 7/8 lead. There's the hooks. See them. Bait we're using today is bluey and squid, all supplied by Bait to Go in Cardiff, Jason Woodley. Awesome bait it is. And Southwest Sea Baits, some Lawrence, and some anchovy at the bottom. First bait we're going to put on is single Lawrence again. First cast I got out there now was on Lawrence and a long pulley. What I do is when I'm baiting mine up, get my scissors. Cut the head off by the gills, cut the head off, cut the tail off. Left with a nice little streamlined bait. Obviously keep the ends if you're fishing flappers for whiting or something. Chuck on the side. The hooks, get the hooks. What I do, I get my J hook and go to the end, to the thicker end of the Lawrence, into just behind the gills. Go in. Come out near the end, well, literally on the end, if you can see. Bait elastic all the way up and down the bait. Oh, keep snapping. Oh. Oh. All the way up. And what I do, my mate, my sponsor, GG Guiding, Gareth Griffiths, showed me this. Always keep the tag end up, go all the way up and all the way back down, and when you finish the bait, lay the tag end along the hook down the side and go over it, so it stops your bait going up your line. I've done it now. Fold the tag end along the bottom, or along the side of the hook, sorry. I do it, it's done there. Any leftover piece of elastic dangling, I always do when to finish off the elastic going around the bait, just go over my fingers like that, as you can see, and go make a loop on your fingers, pull the elastic underneath, pull it tight, take your leftover elastic off. Stop it getting caught on the imp. So I bait the cast 8, setup is 7/8 lead, launch, bait from bait to go, 6 foot pulley altogether is 12 foot. Setup is casting special, 25 main Variva Sport, 80 pound shock leader. Setup, the rod is Ron Thompson accelerator. Let's go make this. Right guys, just making up another bait now, halfway through it. Nice Sandian squid bait, very slow at the moment. No bites as of yet, but I've been having a nightmare birdieing and just tangling with the other rod. It is what it is, like the same old stuff. We all have those days. But yeah, next bait going out is squid and sandy on and up and over. 7/8 lead. I got another bait ready there, blue wing squid, big blue wing squid. Hope try for, I don't know, nice big smallloid. Nice small sandy and squid bait. But hook go in the bottom of the bait there. Oh, it's a pretty small bait. Make sure your hook at the point of the hook is nice and proud, so if a fish does play with it and got more chance of hooking it when it's nice and proud, just like that. Can you see it? Yeah. Elasticate all the way up and down the bait now. It's cold. Oh, keep snapping on me. The wind's changed directions as well, so it's coming side on now, coming from McNash. Nice cold northeasterly wind. But we've got all the gear to keep warm. Beautiful evening for it. Hopefully the fish come on a feed now, like an hour before high. It's 2 hours before high now, so hopefully come on a feed now. Hopefully, if we see a few fish, I wouldn't mind a little whiting to stick back out on a wire trace or something for a conger if one comes along. But yeah, get this bait finished. Top hook just in the bait, at the top of the bait, there you go. Nice little sandy and squid bait, hoping for a smallloid or a spotty. But yeah, it's bloody cold. Nice sunset, you see him. Oh. Nice one, bring you back in a bit. Right, nice little smallloid. Just before high water, well, an hour, just under an hour now before high water. Nice female, probably about 4.5, 5 pound maybe. Give me a nice slack line bite. Nice little surprise. It was dead. It's been dead since low water, so very, very welcome. Nice little smallloid. Happy days. So try and get another one now. Tide has eased off a bit now, so happy days. Just getting back. Just putting a little smallloid back now. to the water. Just got to watch the swell. Yeah, when you're landing fish and putting fish back, just be careful, there's a swell. So, just a bit smaller, about 4.5, 5. Give me a nice little fight. Off she goes. Happy days. Right, that's the end of the session now. We just finished up with one smallite. We've been here since low water. I'm on my last cast now. Been here since low water. Just had one smallite an hour before high water. Only about £5. So it's really happened. Just had a nightmare. I have birding all the time. It is what it is like. But pack up now and then go back to the car and have some food. But yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.